Good morning, students. So welcome to another lecture of Learning R. So today is day 12 and today we will be learning about an interesting concept of R pubs. So R pubs are what it is it's basically a publishing platform which is integrated with the R software or R language. So whatever which we have which we've been using for the last 10-11 days, so whatever the code that you have built that can be shared. So what we have done is, okay, ignore update. I'll update the software a bit later. So what we did, we were using R script and we were using R Markdown. So in R script, you are getting the you are typing the code here. You are getting the result here. In R Markdown, whatever it is basically kind of tutorial. If you want to uh, get an in-depth tutorial regarding anything, then R Markdown is the ideal place to work, because here you can write anything and then you can write the code and then you can get the results here also depending upon what the code is, and then you can share this data with some other else whom you want to share that tutorial or anything related to your work, to whomever you want to share that data. You can share that then, and the technique to share that this data is through R pubs. So whatever you have seen here, you can see that this is an HTML tutorial. So this tutorial now there is you can get some option from here that you can publish this data. Okay, so before that, let me show you how you can use this RPubs. So first of all, you have to register it. Just a normal sign up process like you do for any other platform. Just give your name and username and password, then you will get a registration email, confirmation email that you have this is your confirm email ID, and then you can just complete the process and then again sign in. So I'll complete the process and I'll get back to you because this is also the first time I'm registering on it. Okay. Okay, so now I have registered and completed the process, and now it is showing that this is my username set052, and it is giving some instruction that how can you use your RPubs. So they are basically what you need to do is there are three steps I'll show you. You just have to open your R Markdown file. So this is your R Markdown, and then just you have to knit, and then you will get this output file. So whatever this output file will be, right? So here you can see the option of publish. So now it is once you click on the option of publish, then it is saying that you are using RPubs to publish this database whatever you are using. So now it is saying that publishing content requires updated version of following packages, curl, open. So there are certain packages that needs to be downloaded. So we'll download them. Here you can see the progress is going on for installation of these packages. Okay, so as you can see here, now the packages are successfully installed, and let's try to publish it again. Now you can use RPubs, Post-it Connect, Post-it Cloud. So RPubs is a free service from Post-it for using sharing documents on the web. Post-it Connect is a is a server product for Post-it for secure sharing of application. Post-it Cloud, so you can use RPubs. Now RPubs, it is a free service from RStudio for sharing documents on the web. Click publish to get started. Important, all documents published to RPubs are publicly visible. So this is an important point, that whatever you are publishing, that is openly available to public. So if you want to share some confidential data or some confidential code that is not, you have discovered something or you have developed a new code, then if you don't want someone to get an access to it, then don't share via it. It is clearly saying that all documents published on RPubs are publicly visible. So we just publish this. Now this is your uploading document, and now you can give the name of the document like HTML tutorial tutorial. You can give the description, you give the name. Now this is the web address which you will be using, HTML underscore tutorial. Continue. Now as you can see, then this has been converted to into a web page. So now whatever you want to share, you can just directly go click on the link and just you can share it to someone else or whom you want to share it with. All right, so just to make sure, let's open a new window and then see if it is working. Yeah, so whatever the data you have saved in your Rpubs, it's basically on a link, and that this links become important. You can share this link to anyone else, and he or she will be redirected to your this page. So you can see whatever you have done, whatever we have done in the past few days, that all thing is available in the same format which is available in your R Markdown. Okay, so that's it for today video. My purpose for this video is to share you the knowledge about Rpubs. Okay, I'll hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.